Is your Oral-B electric toothbrush power button not working? Let's diagnose the problem systematically. The most frequent culprits behind a malfunctioning power button are moisture infiltration affecting 60% of cases, mechanical wear from daily use, internal corrosion from bathroom humidity, and software glitches, especially in newer IO series models. Now let's walk through the diagnostic process step by step. Start by visually inspecting the button area. Look for cracks, discoloration, deformation, or any debris buildup around the power button. Next, test the tactile feedback. Press the button and check for a clicking sensation, proper resistance requiring 2 to 4 pounds of pressure, and that the button returns to its original position. For smart models, analyze the LED indicator lights to differentiate between system and hardware problems. Green typically indicates normal operation, red suggests hardware issues, and blue may indicate software problems. Try non-invasive cleaning methods using isopropyl alcohol and compressed air, which have a 70% success rate. Use cotton swabs with alcohol to gently clean around the button, then use compressed air to dry the area completely. For IO series models experiencing software glitches, try a factory reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, place it on the charging base, wait for the LED sequence to complete, then reconnect to your smartphone app. These diagnostic steps will help you identify whether your power button issue is due to physical damage, debris, or software problems, allowing you to choose the most appropriate repair approach. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve power button issues, advanced repair techniques become necessary. Third-party repair kits now offer accessible solutions for button membrane replacement. For older models with persistent sticky buttons, ultrasonic cleaning provides a thorough solution. This technique removes deep toothpaste buildup from internal components that traditional cleaning cannot reach. Prevention is the most effective approach to maintaining button functionality. A simple weekly cleaning routine can reduce button failure recurrence by 90%. The future of electric toothbrush design focuses on repairability and advanced diagnostics. Emerging trends include modular components, self-diagnostic capabilities, and enhanced waterproofing technologies. The growing DIY repair culture reflects increasing environmental consciousness and economic practicality. With repair success rates reaching 78% for cleaning-based solutions, fixing your toothbrush is both sustainable and cost-effective.